Everybody in YouTube land, I'm still here doing this deck. It's been about 4 hours. I had to take a few stops because of the weather. It started raining on me, so basically started taking a little break. I'm just using the gun to do all the detail work, the rails, the edges. Pretty much gonna work my way down, doing the edges, stairway with this tool right here. It's a lot easier than using the extension wand because I'm able to get really direct without that big old wand in the way. So you see how fast I'm able to go. I'm using a 40-degree white tip. I'm getting as close as 1 inch from the surface. I can go a lot faster with this phone out of my hand, I'll tell you that much. But in general, just doing a double pass. Alright, this will be the last step. Alright. If you like what I'm doing, think I'm doing a good job, leave me a thumbs up. Also, if you have any gripes, questions, leave that in the comment section. And see you in the next video. Just going to show off what I'm doing so far. Like I said, I'm just getting the edges and everything done with this gun. Basically along here, because I want to use that surface spinner over there to do all the general areas. And I've been working for about 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes I'm able to cover about that much every 15 minutes. Actually less time than that, for real. It took me about 10 minutes to do that much. So it's going to keep this going, and I'll come back with another video. All right.